So we're going to add the two binomials. We have 6x squared plus 8x plus a negative 5x squared minus 7. So here we're going to distribute our positive sign to everything that's within this second parentheses, and we're going to drop the parentheses so that we can add the like terms. Okay, so we have 6x squared plus 8x, and we have a positive 1 times a negative 5x squared, which gives us a negative 5x squared. And we have a positive 1, and the 1 is understood, times the negative 7x, which leaves us with a negative 7x. So here we see we have the like terms. We have 6x squared minus 5x squared, and we're going to take that sign that's in front of whichever term we are trying to put together. And here, the same way, we have 8x, and we're going to bring this 7x, the negative that comes with it, and then we're just going to subtract. So we have 6x squared minus 5x squared leaves us with x squared, and 8x minus 7x leaves us with x. So our answer is x squared plus x. So we're going to write this so that our answer is in descending order, and also we're going to keep the signs that are in front of it here. Because there is no negative sign here, we're going to automatically put the plus here in the middle. And our answer is x squared plus x. So we're going to add the polynomials. We have x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus a negative 3x squared minus x minus 7. So we see here that we have a plus sign here in the middle of our two polynomials. So we're going to have to distribute this positive sign to everything that is within this polynomial. So we're going to bring everything else down. We have x squared plus 6x plus 9. I'm going to just do it like this for right now, so that we can so I can show you how we distribute this. And I'm going to bring everything down. We have the negative 3x squared minus x minus 7. So we see here that we're going to have to distribute this positive 1 to everything that is within this second polynomial. So we're going to bring everything down in our first, which is x squared plus 6x plus 9. And a positive 1 times a negative 3x squared leaves us with a negative 3x squared. A positive 1 times a negative x is a negative x, and a positive 1 times a negative 7 leaves us with a negative 7. So what we see is that when we have a positive operation sign, when we're adding polynomials, the sign stays the same. Okay? So here we're simply going to combine like terms. We have x squared minus 3x squared. We have 6x minus x, and we have 9 minus 7. So x squared is understood to be 1. So if we say 1 minus 3, that leaves us with a negative 2x squared. And 6x minus x leaves us with 5x. And 9 minus 7 leaves us with 2. So our answer is a negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Now notice that when we're writing out our polynomials, when we dissect it like this, we're going to bring down those signs. So that's the reason why this negative 2x squared is negative and these are positive. If it's not negative, it's positive. Also, when you are writing out your answer, make sure that everything, the exponents, are in descending order. Our answer is negative 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. So I have the polynomial x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus negative 3x squared minus x minus 7 plus x minus 8. So I'm going to rewrite this so that I can drop the parentheses, distribute my operation signs where necessary so that we can combine like terms. So we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. And we have our plus, we have our operation sign here. So we're going to distribute a positive 1 to every term that's within this polynomial. So we have positive 1 times a negative 3x squared gives us a negative 3x squared. Positive 1 times a negative x gives us a negative x. And 1 times a negative 7 gives us a negative 7. And the same applies here. We have a positive 1 times x, which gives us a positive x. And a positive 1 times a negative 8 gives us a negative 8. So we see when we have a positive operation sign, everything within the parentheses stays the same. No signs are changed. So at this point, we're going to combine our like terms. So we have x squared minus 3x squared. Then we have 6x minus x plus x. And we have 9 minus 7 minus 8. Now, even with smaller problems, or with lower numbers, I still like to use my calculator just so that I can make sure I don't make any careless mistakes. But we see here we have x squared, which we can count as 1. And 1 minus 3 gives us a negative 2. So that's a negative 2x squared. And then we have 6x minus x, which is 5x. And 5x plus x gives us 6x again. And we have 9 minus 7 minus 8. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And 2 minus 8 is a negative 6. So our polynomial, our answer is negative 2x squared plus 6x minus 6.